Okay, here we are in the Kryptomon game site. Now let's go to Kryptomon version 2 and I'm going to be upgrading my Ghost Gen 3 Kryptomon to V2. Let's game on to get the work done. Then click first approve and then click on evolve now. And submit this transaction. This might take a while. And boom. Wow. I don't know why, but I'm missing my version 1 now. My version 1 was so cute. Okay, let's go to play and see. Connect the MetaMask. Wow, this looks cool, like a badass, but seriously, I just want my previous one back. Man, I seriously miss my previous one. I just wish they have any revert button to get my V1 back. So let us train him, and you can see the quest and the battle is coming soon. Now my baby Kmon is changed to young Kmon. But damn, seriously, I just want my old one back. Okay, have a great day.